Hey family! This banana pudding recipe is so rich, creamy, and delicious. It has a buttery graham cracker crust layered with bananas and topped with a creamy mixture of pudding, cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and whipped cream. This will definitely leave you wanting more. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 2 sleeves of graham crackers, finely crushed, ½ cup of sugar, 1½ sticks of butter melted, 5 to 6 bananas, 5-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding mix, 2½ cups of milk, 8-ounce bar of cream cheese, 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. Begin by mixing together in a bowl graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Mix until well combined. Pour onto the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spread crumbs to form a nice smooth layer. This is usually people's favorite part of the dessert, including mine. Place into the refrigerator while you go ahead and prep the other layers. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together instant vanilla pudding mix and cold milk. In another large bowl, place softened cream cheese and pour in sweetened condensed milk. Mix until well combined. Fold in the vanilla pudding. After that's well incorporated, fold in the Cool Whip. You want to fold it in and not mix it to maintain its fluffy structure. Peel and slice the bananas. You want to do this right before you add them because you don't want the bananas to turn brown. Layer the sliced bananas evenly over the graham cracker crust. Pour the creamy pudding mixture over the bananas. Smooth over with a spoon or spatula. Refrigerate to let it set a couple hours before serving. When it's ready to serve, sprinkle over the reserved graham cracker crumbs. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. You guys, this is so delicious. I had some extra from this batch and I gave it away to some of my neighbors and they commented on how much they loved it. Seriously, that graham cracker crust, the bananas, and the creamy pudding layer, it's just heavenly. Look at it. I wish you guys can taste it. So good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.